The Offset Edu Residence, an impressive backyard house project designed by Byben, located in Los Angeles, United States. Spanning 890 square feet or approximately 83 square meters, this project showcases how space and regulatory limitations can be transformed into opportunities to create innovative, functional, and aesthetic designs. This project was born out of the homeowner's need for additional space in their home. The homeowner wanted a media room for entertainment and a flexible space that could serve as either an extra bedroom or a home office. Instead of expanding the main house, Byben opted to construct an accessory dwelling unit, ADU, on the site of the old garage. This decision not only met the need for additional space but also revitalized the backyard, turning it into a more active and functional area. With the ADU in place, the backyard is now divided into 3 distinct zones: a deck connecting the ADU to the main house, a backyard for outdoor activities or relaxation, and a side yard that serves as additional storage or green space. This approach successfully creates a dynamic outdoor area that caters to various family needs. One of the biggest challenges in this project was the presence of power lines at the rear of the property, which required an 8-foot clearance radius. Additionally, the new structure had to maintain a 4-foot setback from the property line. Rather than seeing these constraints as obstacles, the architectural team turned them into opportunities for innovation. The second floor of the ADU was designed with an offset layout, offering multiple benefits. First, the offset created a rear deck on the second floor corridor, adding an attractive and functional outdoor space. Second, the offset provided a covered front entry area, shielding the entrance from the elements. Additionally, the 4-foot setback on the property side was utilized for bike storage and space for planting a new tree, adding both ecological and aesthetic value. Structurally, the Offset Edu Residence utilizes a traditional California wood frame construction, complemented by structural steel to support the cantilevered elements at the front of the house, ensuring stability while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The home's exterior stands out with its carefully selected materials. The architects chose rainscreen, a tropical hardwood known for its weather resistance, for 2 prominent sides of the building. Installing the required meticulous precision, particularly around the bathroom windows where precise cuts were needed. The combination of rainscreen and smooth plaster on the facade gives the home a modern yet elegant appearance, while the other 2 sides of the structure were kept simpler as they face neighboring properties. One of the standout features of this project is the U-shaped window located in the second floor bedroom or office. This window is positioned at parapet height, creating a seamless, endless connection with the sky. The design is further enhanced by a custom wooden frame and a pill-shaped mirrored ceiling. These elements work together to create an illusion of infinite space, offering a unique and calming experience for anyone inside the room. Overall, The offset ado residence not only fulfilled the homeowner's need for additional functional space, but also transformed the backyard into a more vibrant and versatile area. The clever design takes full advantage of the site's constraints, showcasing how thoughtful planning can turn challenges into creative opportunities. This project serves as a perfect inspiration for anyone looking to maximize the potential of a small space without sacrificing comfort or beauty. From the carefully selected materials to architectural features like the U-shaped window, this house proves that limitations can lead to remarkable innovation. Thank you for joining us on Block 7. Stay tuned for more exciting home tour videos and design inspirations in the future.